The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 546, effective until 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties: The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 547, effective until 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will, Winnebago and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton and Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois; Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois; Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois; Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana; Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock and Walworth, and Clinton, Iowa. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. What? Heavy snow occurring. Total snow accumulations of 7 to 10 inches are expected. For the following areas in Connecticut: northern Fairfield, northern Middlesex, northern New Haven, northern New London, southern Fairfield, southern Middlesex, southern New Haven and southern New London, and the following areas in New Jersey: eastern Bergen, eastern Essex, eastern Passaic, eastern Union, Hudson, western Bergen, western Essex, western Passaic and western Union, and the following areas in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Putnam, Staten Island, Rockland, northern Nassau, northern Queens, northern Westchester, northeast Suffolk, northwest Suffolk, Manhattan, Orange, southern Nassau, southern Queens, southern Westchester, southeast Suffolk and southwest Suffolk. Blizzard warning in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon until 9 a.m. Thursday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Travel will be very dangerous to impossible, including during the morning and evening commute. Tree branches could fall as well. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 11 inches are expected. Wind gusts as high as 60 miles per hour. Where? Southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. When? From 4 p.m. this afternoon to 9 a.m. Thursday. Impacts: plan on slippery road conditions. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Additional details: flash freezing may lead to black ice formation, resulting in slick roadway conditions. Motorists should be prepared for pileups on roadways, especially in urban areas and highways. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions.